Guys, welcome back. It's a Blue Monday indeed. A Blue Monday indeed. And I just don't want to waste time. I'm just going to go straight into it, guys. Go straight into it. So, I've been speaking to my friend, a very, very close friend of mine. We started trading together. And he's like very, very, very deep into like what do they call this thing, man? Like the coherence of the movements of the charts. Like, let's say for instance, maybe uh euro gbp, I mean usd jpy is going a certain direction, and maybe aud usd will go the other direction. He's a very interested in that coherence. If a specific chart moves up, another specific chart is going to move down compared to the pairs. So what we've been speaking about is that the US dollar alone, just the dollar alone, the dollar index has so much power, and it controls most of these parents currencies. So what I want to do just now is just to introduce you guys to the US dollar. Just look at the dollar alone, because it does indeed, guys, control most of the pairs in the forex pairs. It controls most of them. So we're going to be looking at the direction on the weekly right now. So what I'm seeing on the weekly is that we were in a bullish trend. We still are in a bullish trend. Sorry, we still are in a bullish trend, and this thing just came into the highest candle. Came into the highest candle that formed the previous high that they broke with this move, and they tapped in right here. And I'm getting rejection and a bullish signal that they might continue to go higher like so, and come and challenge this high up here, so that's what I picked up on the weekly. I'm just gonna go into the daily. I'm not used to using this platform, but my good friend suggested it to me, that, hey bruh, if you want to look at the dollar, just check this out. So I'm here. So just going to the daily, we're just gonna keep tracking the movement of what this chart is actually doing, bruh. Because as you can see, okay, you can see we got a morning star here. You see price came in and rejected this thing nicely, bruh. And also on the daily, we still remained bullish because we didn't break this low right here. Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? I'm just gonna draw a line right here. Actually, I shouldn't be drawing this line, because I can just copy one right here. Hey, the software, forgive me guys, I'm still gonna try and get used to this thing, but I'm strictly gonna be using it for the dollar only, so no need to worry about that. Yeah, right there, to make the videos much more quicker. So the daily is bullish as well, and as you can see, we came into the candle that formed the high. I'm just gonna draw the shape right here and see what happened. So I think for this purpose, I should try and go ahead and just remove now the weekly view of things, because it's disturbing me with the daily view. I can't find a way to make this appear on the daily only, so I'm just gonna go with it. So this is the weekly candle that came in and they tapped in. So let's check out the daily one. I like to leave these zones up here, because they're significant. It's a point where price might just go back. Okay, so as you can see guys, this thing it's coming in and it's reacting. It faked out, because I'm sure that on the weekly, if I can go higher, remember what I said, if price gives you a break of some sort, you need to look at the higher time frame and see if it's not a fake out, and see if they're not leaving wicks. Look at what they did right here. This shadow right here, they came in, they left wicks. On the daily, it looks like a breakout of this, but they left wicks. But that's not significant, because it's not structures, it's just an area that we look into for price reaction. So as you can see, the daily is also bullish right now. It's turning bullish. It's turning the corner, and I like this because they tapped into this daily high point and they tapped into this weekly high point right here, and they rejected, signifying that they still want to go up. This is amazing, guys. So that I can confidently say that the dollar is bullish on the weekly and it's bullish on the daily. I'm just gonna remove these lines because now I want to zoom into the 4-hour. The 4-hour is much more, it's gonna give us much more structures, so I want to be clear for that, but I'm not gonna remove the shadows. So going into the 4-hour now, I know we're gonna get a lot of structures, but I'm not gonna remove the shadows because now you understand what the shadows are there for. So to safety trade now, guys, I can already see that the 4-hour was coming in bearish. As you can see, this move was a bearish move right here. It was a bearish move right here. It was a bearish move, and this is the bearish trading zone that we have on the 4-hour, guys. This is the bearish trading zone that we have on the 4-hour. I'm just gonna turn this red. You know I like to use red for bearish. I'm just gonna make it thicker. There we go. Just gonna make it thicker, and then bring that down here for the 4-hour bearish trading zone, as you can see. So now, just to end this video right real quick, what I'm looking for is something like this: a break to confirm structures, bruh. A break to confirm structures and come back and retest on this, and retest on the high of the 4-hour trading zone, the high candle of the 4-hour trading zone. Yes sir, yes, let's go, and come back and retest something like that and continue higher like that. That's what I'm seeing on the 4-hour, guys. So I'm just gonna leave this on here, go into the 1-hour. Now we're looking for structure breaks because we've already confirmed that the weekly and the daily is bullish, bruh, and now we're just looking for structure breaks on the 1-hour. So I can see the 1-hour trading zone is the same as the 4-hour trading zone. It's the same as the 4-hour trading zone. Okay, we're breaking structures and broke. Yeah, so the 1-hour and the 4-hour are the same, guys. The 1-hour and the 4-hour are the same. I think we can agree on that because this is the trading zone right here. So what I like to do, I like to go on the 5-minute, but I'm not gonna do that for this chart. So for this chart, guys, what I would advise for the dollar, if you're gonna be trading any pairs that involve the dollar, it is bullish. It is bullish, and this is what I can advise you guys to do. I'm not a financial advisor though. You get me? But just looking at the structures, guys, like, it would be safe to trade this thing once we get a break out of here. Because these 4-hour structures, they matter, you know. The fact that the weekly is bullish and the daily is bullish, it doesn't mean that these structures don't matter. This thing is still bearish. We can as well just get a sell off right here in any of these points, form a higher low and continue selling off. But it would be safe and much more confident if it breaks and take the retest and higher and buy your USD pairs and sell your USD quotes. You get me? Because the USD is gonna move opposite as the USD quotes. For instance, USD CAD is gonna go up and AUD USD is gonna go down. So look at this. You can try and ride this wave. You can try and ride this wave on the 5-minute, maybe. On the 5-minute, you can try and ride this wave on the 5-minute, because the 5-minute is also doing the same thing. It's creating structures. You get me? It's creating structures, breaking highs. You take the high test and push higher, breaking highs, you take the high test and push higher. But now it's just been moving. But you can follow these structures and look for entries here. When they come back and retest this high, you go higher. You get me? So that's it for the dollar, guys. I'm just gonna jump on quick to my pairs right here. Next video.